Hey guys, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to set up Go high level communities. But before we get started, let me mention that you can get a 30-day free trial on Go high level with our link in the description below. So first of all, we need to set up our domain. Now the point to be noted here is that if you have already configured a domain for client portal, you will not need to do a sign I'm sorry, you do not need again for your communities portal, as communities uses the same domain as clients portal. So make sure to keep that in mind. To configure a domain for communities, we are going to be following these steps. So first of all, start by accessing communities section within membership area in the sidebar. You can see we have that in here. Then head over to settings, and once we are on the settings, it will automatically navigate you to client portals domain settings, as both features uses the same domain. Now the point to be noted here is that at this point you have two options available. The first one is the subdomain and the second one is the custom domain. So basically the option one utilizes a pre-configured subdomain under clientclub.net, and this subdomain is already set up and ready to be used immediately. Simply select this option if it suits your needs. You will still need to scroll down and hit update domain to get this work. Now the second option is set up your own custom domain. If you prefer to use a domain that you own, follow the next steps. So to configure custom domain for your client's portal, follow these steps. Using the left sidebar, navigate to site, then client portal section, proceed to domain setup. Once you are there, click on option for custom domain and input your desired domain, and yeah, that is done. Once your domain is set up, now it is important to replace a designated IP address or server placeholder with your actual IP address or server information in the record. Make sure to fill out this field accurately, as it's essential to correctly configure your domain settings. Now once we're done, we are going to be setting up our groups from marketplace and groups, and just create a new group. Once our group is created, you need to enter your group name and all this information. Once you enter that, now how to add members. So basically you can invite them, they can join the group themselves, and the important point to be noted here is that members can join multiple groups within the community based on their interests, preferences, and professional needs, fostering a more dynamic and interactive community experience. So yeah, these are some steps on how you can set up Go high level communities. And before we end this tutorial, let me remind you that again, you can head over to the link in the description below and get the 30-day free trial for Go high level and try out for yourself as well. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next couple of tutorials.